from me. And yeah, it was little bit cold, but that was the only thing that wasn't that okay. But it was the stage is so big and the hall is so big and everything is so great, and I'm so excited for the next rehearsal to make it better.
Hello guys, I'm Mika Newton from Ukraine.
Hi, Matthias.
Yes.
Do you know the Icelandic song?
Yes,